Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time joining me, then welcome to my channel. I am Yolanda Kumalo, also known as Tinashe on Twitter, Instagram, and on the streets. Guys, can we talk about this hair? Can we just talk about how good this hair looks on me? Can we just talk about how good this hair looks on me? Anyways, so I received this hair from Tinashe Hair, and they actually sponsored this video. Thank you so much, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video. And I took a drive and I actually went to install it at AG Fantasy. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this hair. When I received this hair, it was all blonde, like from the root and down, literally the same color. And I went to AG and I was like, I don't actually think that this blonde is going to work with my complexion. So she was like, don't worry, girl. And she dyed the tips, and I feel like this made a whole lot of difference, and it actually works out with my complexion. So if you are interested in buying this wig, just know that you will get it all blonde from the root, and then you just have to play around with it in order to fit your style and what you like. So this hair came in this box. You guys know Tinashe with all the cutie boxes, and it literally took about a week to get delivered to me, so I'm sure that is their shipping time. It also came in with gifts such as the wig cap. Very nice. I love their wig caps because they've also got like an elastic band, which is very important if you are a person that uses got2b glue to install your wigs, because it can actually hold the wig down. It's also like a little card here with the details of where you can find them on the social platforms, and also just a little bit of information about the hair and how to take care this hair. And then we've also got 2 wig caps in here, and we got a pair of lashes. If you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please check out the entire video. Hey guys, so I'm currently outside AG Fantasy's hair salon. I'm here to install my wig, my bob wig. I needed mostly to shoot content today. I'll be shooting content today with C4 for brand. It is our first campaign that we will be working with together. We basically both played a part in getting the campaign, but you guys will see later when it's all out. I'm not late actually, because Anati opens at 9 o'clock and the time now is 8:54. So yeah, that's good. Parking in town is crazy. Like, I had to go all around to look for parking. Guys, I should have just came with a taxi, but I didn't really think of that, because the last time I was here I came with my car and it was on a Saturday, so I didn't really experience any much hassles. My boyfriend this morning did mention that it's Saturday today, so you're gonna go through the most first with traffic and also finding parking, but I was just like, nah, and then I left. Anyways, let's just go inside and do this. I'm back with a glow. Eh. Guys, I love this color on me. Okay, so I got this color. It was all blonde when I got it. I probably did say that somewhere in the intro, but I'm gonna say it again. AG did what you gotta do, and she dyed this part so that it kind of like, you know, works with my skin tone, and I love the work that she did. I love it. Right now I'm gonna drive home, and then I'm going to put on my face beat, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look, and you guys are gonna let me know if you like it.
Few moments later.
What's good? So guys, this is the final look. Edges laid. Okay, I love this hair on me. I love this color. I was really doubting it. I think every color suits every girl, honestly, because I never thought that blonde would actually look good on me. But yeah, so this is the final look, and if you like it, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know. And if you want to find out more about this hair, the details, I will leave it down in the description box, so please do check out the description box.